Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rachel Jean Hilado, 26 years old, single with no kids. I have two siblings, one brother, one sister, and I am the second born child. I am a very honest person, trustworthy, hardworking, and God-fearing. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family financially and also to save my future. I have a work experience here in the Philippines for almost 4 years, from July 2019 to July 2023, with a couple and two kids. My job duties is washing, cooking, taking care of kids, cleaning, ironing, and marketing. Please choose me to be your housemate. I am very much willing to work with your family. I am a very hardworking person, trustworthy, and obedient. I promise to treat you and your kids as my own family. I am very much willing to follow all your instructions. Please choose me and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.